Hello, my name is Kim Sauer at Productronica 2015, and I'm joined today by Jennifer Higgins from Data.io. Jennifer, it's great to see you here. Beautiful weather outside, really great show so far. What's it been like for you?
This has been a fabulous show for us so far. It's actually my first time at Productronica. I've been very excited, and we've had a lot of great customers and meetings so far.
So, Jennifer, what sort of trends are you seeing in the market today?
We're seeing an explosive growth in the programmable content for the automotive electronics industry. As you may have seen, cars have had an increase in content in their map system, integrated connected cars, and your instrument cluster has moved from being analog to digital, which has exploded the content by 10,000 times. So at the show, we've introduced a new product called our Luminex programming engine, which is ideal for eMMC devices to program these large file sizes up to 40 or 60 gigabytes.
And that trend seems to be increasing. I think cars nowadays are something like 70% electronics, so that shift is really quite drastic and is going to continue, isn't it?
Absolutely. With the increase in sensors in the cars, you have everything from your braking sensors, your lighting sensors, to notice cars in the other lane, your lane departure systems. All these items now have programmable content in them.
Yeah, and that sort of feeds into that whole global trend of Industry 4.0, the Internet of Things, big data, those sort of things. So that will have a huge impact as well on the type of products you're offering and the type of customers you have.
Absolutely. And so we're going to see a convergence of some of the applications that have been in the mobile industry and the wireless with the connected car. They're programming that content, and then the other concern is security, and they want to make sure that content is programmed secure. When you're driving down the road, you want to make sure your anti-lock brakes are going to work when you need to use them, and that has to do with programming.
Yeah. Now let's talk a little bit about, you've touched on some of the products that you have and the solutions that you have, but you also had, you were successful with receiving an award yesterday, an innovation award. Tell us about the product that you got the award for, and what sort of functions that offers your customers.
Absolutely. So yesterday we were awarded the Global Technology SMT Award for our Luminex programming engine. And it's a new programming technology that we introduced in August and is showing for the first time in Europe. And it's also integrated into our PSV 7000 automated programming system. And what this does is it makes it efficient for automotive electronics manufacturers or global wireless manufacturers to program large gigabytes of data fast and efficient into their devices.
So obviously that feeds into that trend that we're seeing, an increase in that sort of demand. And eventually, how do you see that feeding into that big data, that Internet of Things arena, or is it already feeding data into that?
It's already starting to feed it into it, and we're expecting it to continue to grow. And then we're also expecting to have concerns about managed and secure programming, making sure that the programming secure across a global supply chain, and that these systems that are being integrated into the car are programmed correctly, even as the content is exploding.
Excellent. Well, congratulations again on winning the award, and thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you.
Thank you.